Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I'm going to show you how to make restaurant style paneer mushroom masala. This gravy is creamy, flavorsome with tender mushroom and soft paneer. So let's get started. Making this gravy, I have taken one small pack of mushrooms. I have cleaned them properly and then made slices like this. Then I have taken cashews around 10 to 15 that I have soaked in water, paste of 2 medium-sized onions, paste of 2 small tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of oil, paneer cubes around 200 grams, fresh chopped coriander, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, salt 2 teaspoons, red chili powder 2 teaspoons and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. This thing I have made paste of cashews in water. So we'll be using this for the gravy. Moving to recipe, I start with heating up oil in a pan. Then I'll be adding mushrooms to it. We have to saute them. And then I will be frying paneer. Once these mushrooms are fried properly, we have to keep high flame. Then we'll take them out, and in the same oil I'll be frying paneer cubes. Then in the same oil I'll be frying paneer cubes. Here you can see. Here again I have kept medium to high flame. Once these paneer cubes are fried properly, we'll take them out, and in the same oil I'll be adding ginger garlic paste and all whole spices. I have just kept 1 tablespoon of oil. I have removed the excess. We'll fry them properly. Once they are fried properly, we'll be adding onion paste. Then I'm adding onion paste. Here you can see. Here the flame is between medium to high. Then I'll be adding salt. Salt you can adjust according to your taste. I'll give it a good mix. Additionally, I'm adding some green chilies for extra taste. Here you can see I'm adding some green chilies. You can add more red chilies also if you don't have green chilies. And once this is fried properly, then I will be adding tomato paste. Here you can see. We'll give it a good mix and let them fry. We are yet to add all other spices. So once the tomato and onion paste is fried properly, oil is visible, I'll be adding cashew paste. Here you can see. Freshly chopped green coriander. Give it a good mix. Here again flame is between medium to high. I'll keep it like this till oil is visible on the surface. It may take around 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame, but we'll keep stirring in between so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Once oil is visible on the surface, then we'll be adding other spices: red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin seed powder. Here you can see. I will give it a good mix. And then I'll be adding kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves. These all enhance its taste. Kasuri methi, green coriander, they really add to its taste and it becomes very flavorful. Here you can see. I'll keep it like this for a few minutes and then I'll be adding fried mushrooms and paneer. Here you can see I'll be adding fried mushrooms and then paneer. And then we'll be adding water and keep it like this for some time. Here I am doing an additional step. I am adding some paneer. Here you can see I am adding some crushed paneer. Some people add mawa to it, but I don't like adding mawa to this, so you can just add crushed paneer. It makes gravy really thick and it really makes it good. So here you can see I'm adding around 1.5 cup of water. Then I'll keep it on medium flame. Then I'll be adding garam masala, and I'll add some more water, around 1.5 cup in total I have added. Then I'll keep it on medium flame. I'll cover it and keep it on medium flame. After around 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame, here you can see paneer and mushroom masala is ready. Here you can see the gravy, and you can see the paneer cubes, and oil is also visible. This gravy also tastes so good, so don't make it totally dry. This gravy is really good. I hope you like this recipe. You can try this recipe for Eid. Give this recipe a try. Let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.